That's your special dolly that Great-Grandma Naomi gave you. Yes. It's the first time I've seen you really playing with it. Are you touching her eyes? Oh, she's real nice and all, but I'm onto something else. Bye, everybody. Oh, sock fuzz. Neat. Oh, a book about birdie tales. Neat. Oh, sock fuzz. Even better. I'm getting kind of good at moving around the room on my own. If I see something I want, I can kind of roll and scoot and get it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. This is a neat book. Who ever seen a book like this? Can you get the kitty? Oh, kitty's going the other way. Let's get the kitty. Can you get the kitty? Can you get the kitty? Oh. Can you touch that kitty's tail? This is the way I move forward. Oh, there's a teddy bear. Neat stuff. Michelle. Say bye, everybody.